Alright guys, so in this video I'm showing you guys a very simple live trade I took on Euro USD and US30. So I found my first setup around 1 p.m. I was looking at this beautiful trade here. You can see I'm up $16, $8. I was just trying to be a little bit conservative on the way I trade. I'm up $80 on this trade. So you can see 128. Guys, this is a pre-recorded video, so I'm just going through the trades I took last week and giving you guys the updates of what's happening. So this trade ended up being a break-even trade because I moved my stop loss to break-even real quick, which I shouldn't have done because this trade actually ended up going back in profit. So that was quite painful. I was looking at USD JPY for a new setup, but I think I didn't see anyone here. I was just patiently trying to analyze this chart and see if I can see a setup on USD JPY, but as it happens, I just couldn't find one. Okay, I think I found one setup here. Yeah, I found one setup here. Looking at this FVG zone, this green line, you can see it's an indicator I use. I will drop the link to the indicator in my description. So at this point I was setting my position to trying to get my entry, my stop loss, and my take profits. I usually like to take a 1-to-1 or 1-to-0.5 break even. So this is my FX book. I use this in literally calculating my size, my position size on every trade, because doing it manually can be a little bit confusing and you could end up doing messing things up, which would cost you more than you expected. So I decided to use my FX book. I have two platforms I use in calculating this stuff. One is especially for US30, but this one specifically is for Forex. So I had to set my size 6 point something, or maybe I use 6. So my entry, I had to take my entry from Tradingview and fill that into my MT5 account. So I had to get in on a pending order for a buy limit. So guys, if you notice, I wasn't using my full size. I used 7 lots on this one. So I had to set my stop loss. Guys, do not take any trade without setting your stop loss. Your stop loss is like the most important thing. Before you even get your entry, after your entry, your stop loss should come second. Right? Take profit can come in anytime, but the most important thing is your stop loss. So I had to mark that zone out for a 1-to-1. So if price touch that line, that golden line, I will move my stop loss to break even. And as you can see, price is moving. So I had to set my take profit and wait for this trade to get triggered in. I was looking at USDC, if I can see a setup. I was looking at Euro USD, if I can see one, but I couldn't find any on these pairs. I was looking at the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I'm up $124 on that trade. 140, 160. So the trade is moving, but I wanted to hit this 1 hour so I can move my stop loss to break even. But unfortunately, this trade just went crazy and I lost this one. I lost $330 on this one. I was looking at the UJ. Okay, that's the trade I took. And I ended up in a losing trade. As you can see, I think price went like 0.75 or something on this trade, but unfortunately it ended up losing. Guys, if you wanted to trade the same trade I take every single day, then click the first link in the description for my VIP group, or you can click the other link to join the free Telegram group to get free signals from me, guys. It's free. Come on. See you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out.